In this video, we're going to talk through how to put your open to work on, and we'll talk through the details to make sure that recruiters can reach out to you. Now, when you are logged into your LinkedIn profile, go ahead and just click on your picture. Hopefully you have a professional photo, and you're going to see this button, Open to. Open to finding a new job, click on that. That is where you're going to turn everything on. Now for the job titles, depending on which field, which industry you're in, try to ensure that you are searching and looking at all of the titles that align. Now you can only select 5 right now. So make sure you're selecting the most relevant and the most likely that someone will be reaching out to you. Now, once you've selected 5, you will then select on-site, hybrid, remote. I would select all 3 just to increase the likelihood that someone will reach out to you. You don't want to say you're not open and then you miss out on an opportunity. You'll increase the likelihood that recruiters will reach out. Hiring companies will continue to reach out to you. Now, location. This is a quick hack. You could definitely put where you're physically located, but let's say you live in the United States and you're just open to all different states. Select the United States, because then recruiters will reach out from different areas of the US, and it'll increase the likelihood that you'll get that opportunity, even if it's not in your physical state or city. If you're new to this channel or you haven't even subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. I will be bringing you videos every week to help you with your job search and career. Subscribe for more of those tips. Now, I would definitely continue to select up to 5. You want to just max out on each of these areas. So 5 for the job titles, 5 for the locations. I've reached the max. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just remember the max right now is 5. For your start date, immediately is always great. Hiring companies usually are looking for someone to start in the immediate future. What that means to them could be anywhere from a professional notice, anywhere from 2 weeks to 2 months. If you say I'm flexible, casually looking, someone could overlook your profile. If you're very active, please select immediately. I am actively applying. Employment types, whichever ones relate to you. And then visibility. This is super important to know. Recruiters only means that recruiters like myself and hiring companies that have a license for LinkedIn on the recruiting side, they're able to see that your open to work is on. That's what this one means. If you say all LinkedIn members, then you'll have this open to work frame around your picture. And that will make it visible to everyone on LinkedIn. Really depends on your preference. Highly recommend recruiters only for your privacy. And also, the open to work banner could cause a bias. If you want to eliminate the bias, I would not recommend putting the banner. But recruiters only is really what you need. That is going to trigger recruiting companies, recruiters, hiring companies to reach out to you. And then you hit this save button. Once you hit that save button, it's going to trigger, again, the recruiters and hiring companies. They now know you're open to work. Check out my LinkedIn playlist for more profile tips to help you fast track your job search. And please subscribe.